On side now, if rain fall now, there will be a lot of traffic there because of that small something. So very small pothole, but it will cause a lot of hold up.
Before they filled the contour with the road, the whole thing was somehow rough and bad. But now it is okay now, because when I passed this place yesterday, I was like, how this place was like this, but now it is okay, it is different from what I usually see.
When I'm coming before, I have to slow down and watch before everything. It's okay. They are doing a good job. I can also see that they are doing at the other side too.
God be the glory, at least I can see a difference now. Because like as at yesterday, the road was very rough. But I mean, the experience this morning was, marvelous.
Whoever must have done the job is a great job. We appreciate it.
Lagos State Works Corporation is good. Potholes slow down the movement of vehicle, and now I can see the road is smooth. Good job.
This is beautiful. When I got it now, I said, wow, this is beautiful. Lagos is working. Thank you.